Welcome to Sheraton Hyderabad Hotel. Bringing people together is what we have done since the opening of the hotel in 2015. We are proud to be point of connection for many travelers just like you. Strategically located in the financial district of the city, we provide an easy access to airport, to business hub, and to shopping and entertainment arcades. Designed keeping in mind the new age traveler, our hotel provides an array of room categories, fully serviced apartments with food and beverage facilities, fitness center, and spa. This all complemented with impeccable service. I hope you enjoy the tour of our hotel with the Director of Sales and Marketing.
Namaste. It's a pleasure to have you join us today as we walk around this oasis of comfort and relaxation right in the middle of the bustling business district of Hyderabad. The hotel is built on three broad concepts: height, light, and space, something that you will see as we walk around. Shall we begin? This is the lobby, the central meeting point for our guests, both in-house or otherwise. Lobby is an integration of the reception, the lobby, and the concierge desk, offering warm and comfortable spaces. It also has a dedicated desk for all our elite married Bonvoy members. The idea is to create space with plenty of natural daylight. Feast restaurant to the left-hand side of the lobby and Link to the right. The hotel also features the signature open sky scent, which welcomes everybody visiting us. The hotel offers an inventory of 272 rooms, including 56 fully serviced apartments, 16 executive suites, and 1 residential suite. The rooms offer a panoramic view of the financial district of Hyderabad. The 56 serviced apartments at the hotels are designed to be your home away from home. They come in options of a studio, a 1-bedroom, and a 2-bedroom apartment. All our apartments are well fitted with well-equipped kitchenette, spacious living and dining rooms, and an exclusive landscape patio. It also offers complimentary amenities such as Wi-Fi, microwave and kitchen equipment. Building on Marriott International's reputation of innovative food and beverage concepts, our restaurants are planned to offer our guests international authenticity, fresh high-quality ingredients, and of course, delicious food prepared by an outstanding brigade of talented culinary chefs. Feast, a local favorite, well crafted with care, offers a plethora of world cuisine. We also offer an extravagant a la carte menu, which is available through the day. Capable of seating up to 112 guests at a time, the restaurant can take large gatherings during meal periods. The outlet also boasts of one of the most favored Sunday brunches, with live music playing all through the day that helps set the mood right. As you can see, it has contemporary design elements. One can enjoy the wide array of food options through the live stations manned by our expert chefs. Link, our 24-hour neighborhood cafe frequented by our guests both in-house and non-residents. One can smell the tantalizing aroma of freshly baked breads and fresh espresso. Link Cafe, our gourmet restaurant and delicatessen, with grab-and-go snacks, savory paninis, sandwiches, decadent pastries, and an array of energizing beverages, also acts as a meeting space where guests can meet up and also enjoy a round of tea. The place transforms itself in the evenings to a neighborhood bar, bustling with corporate guests and families looking to unwind a long, tiring day. A selection of beverages and cocktails curated by our talented bartenders and lively music provides just that. Another prime attraction at the hotel is Zega, our modern multi-sensory Asian restaurant, a favorite for the locals to gather around. Open from noon to late hours at night. A preferred place to eat, drink, socialize, an Asian-inspired, modern and easy living social space known for multi-sensory experiences through its ambience, Asian comfort food and distinct beverage selection. It's the perfect place to unwind over a scrumptious lunch, a fun casual evening, lavish dinner, a dining experience you do not want to miss. The High Energy Bar features the choicest of wine selections and innovative cocktails mixed with house music that is sure to delight along with the whole mood and aura of the restaurant. All guests booked for the Sheraton Club rooms and suites can also embrace effortless relaxation and a refreshing travel experience with the Sheraton Club Lounge, an easy transition from business to leisure. The banquet menus of the hotel offer friendly and innovative options to customize each guest's event expectation, such as morning and evening theme breaks, clutter-free meeting setups, drop-down screen and projectors, and a full-time AV support. Sheraton Hyderabad provides unique banquet and meetings option combined with access to proficient event and wedding planners. Our property has a total of 903 square meters of indoor and outdoor meeting space, making it a rather attractive proposition for the multitude of event requirements that our guests may have. Here we have a large indoor banquet venue, Jade, measuring over 400 square meters with a spectacular clear room height of 17 feet to the chandeliers and 19 feet to the ceiling. As per guest requirements, the entire ballroom may be split into two parts by use of physical movable partitions. Right outside the meeting room is its own pre-function area where guests may come out to break for tea, coffee, or enjoy their private lunches and dinners. The spa at Sheraton Hyderabad, a well-being sanctuary offering Ayurvedic treatment methods for guests to detoxify and revitalize themselves. It also offers a unique range of therapies that are continually revamped to enhance the relaxation of one's body, mind, and spirit. The hotel has an outdoor swimming pool where guests can enjoy a few laps or unwind by the poolside loungers with a beverage in hand. Sheraton Fitness is the in-house gym that helps keep our guests in shape with an array of state-of-the-art fitness equipment and free weights, along with provisions for personal trainers and fitness assistants. Work and feel your best with nutritious snacks and nourishing smoothies that give you the energy you need to power through any meeting. All venues have digital signboards outside them to showcase the event name. This combination of best-in-class facilities and a dedicated team will ensure that every event is a success. Unix, a venue with natural daylight and panoramic views of the outer ring road, provides a perfect setup for power-packed trainings, brainstorming sessions, or pre-wedding functions. Kojo and Java are other few meeting spaces at the hotel. Uniform in shape, it's a perfect venue for corporate board meetings or other such events. Whether travelers visit Hyderabad for work or for vacation, Sheraton Hyderabad offers superlative stays and delivers unparalleled service experiences. At Sheraton, we curate every guest experience with an obsession to quality and focus on the smallest detail. That brings us to the end of the tour. We truly hope that the hotel meets your requirements and fosters a feeling of confidence to consider us as your hotel partner. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed the tour. Everything about Sheraton Hyderabad is expertly tailored to leave only what is truly desired, whatever the obstacles. My team's ability to reinvent will help you soar above it all. Me, along with my team at Sheraton Hyderabad, look forward to seeing you back. Whatever your needs may be, we will put our best foot forward to exceed your expectations. Thank you and see you soon.